How to fix iCloud storage full problem. To fix the iCloud storage full problem, first of all, try to delete old or unused device backups. Open Settings application on your iPhone, then tap your name at the very top, then tap the iCloud, and then select the Manage Account Storage, then tap Backups. Look through the list for older iPhones or iPads, then tap the old device name and select Delete and turn off backup to instantly reclaim that space. Now you simply have to also turn off the backup for large and unnecessary applications by going to Settings application once again, then tap your name and head to iCloud, then go to Manage Account Storage and head to Backups. Then tap on your current device name, then under the Choose Data to Backup List option, tap Show All Apps. Then turn off large applications you do not need backed up. Once you turn this off, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.